Hello, Alex here. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to detect blank cells in Excel and how to add any value to them. I have this data structure. The first step is to select all. Select the table. Click on ID, press Shift key and click in the right corner there. Step 2. Combine two keys. CTRL plus G. Magic. It opens the Go-To window. Click on the special button. Step 4. Activate blanks and press OK. Click on blanks and press OK. Now all the blank cells are selected. You have two options right now. Delete the blank cells or put the same value in all blank cells. I want to teach you the second options, how to set the same value in all blank cells. If all the blank cells are selected, press a number or a letter on the keyboard. I choose to press a number, I press 0, and after that I combine two keys, CTRL plus ENTER. With this combination, CTRL plus ENTER, I set the same value in all the blank cells. That's it for today's tutorials. See you next time, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more tutorials. Thank you for watching.